Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, as you all know that K-Beauty have launched their new liquid color corrector range. They have come up with 5 different shades and I have received all the 5 shades as PR. So this video is about these color corrector. So yeah, let's get started. But if you are watching me for the first time, make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So that is how the outer packaging looks like. This is their very basic color coded packaging. On the top of the packaging they have mentioned the color, and here they have mentioned the action of the color. It retails for $7.99 and you're gonna get 3.8 grams of product. The product comes in this kind of see-through glass packaging and the K all over written on it. It comes with the applicator, and that is how the applicator looks like. It is actually a teardrop shaped applicator, but it is little different from any other teardrop shaped applicator because it has a hole in one side and other side is plain, and this kind of applicator help to hold more product and blend the product evenly. So it's application time and now I'm going to apply the product on my face. But guys, they have total 5 different shades and each shade have different action. So definitely I am not gonna use everything on my face because I don't need everything. But yeah, I'll show you the swatches, and for that please keep on watching. So it's application time guys, and at first I'm applying the orange color corrector on my under eyes, and I'm applying it just to hide my dark circles. And guys, I'm just blending it with my fingers, and must say guys, this is very lightweight product and it blends so easily, and coverage wise it will give a kind of medium to full coverage. Then I'm applying the K-Beauty foundation on the top of the color corrector, and this is one of my favorite foundation and it also blends so easily. And this is the final look, and this is so evident guys that it hide all the dark circles and dark patches, and I hope you can see the difference. Next I'm applying the peach corrector on my right eyes, and I'm applying it on the same way. Here I would like to mention something guys, you just need very small amount because this is super pigmented. Next I'm applying the green one, which is for redness control, and here I have some fresh pimples and I'm applying the product on the top of the pimples and blending it out, and then cover it up with the foundation. So this is the final come out, and guys, yeah, the pimple is still little visible and it able to hide 90% of the redness. So these are the swatches and the application. Now let's talk a little bit about the product. Well, Guys, these are super pigmented. You just need very small amount and it gives you medium to full coverage. Finish wise, it gives HD matte finish, and I hope you can see how much I'm glowing today. This is just because of the product. And guys, like their other products, it also have some good ingredients, like it is enriched with marula and rosy oil. Marula helps to hydrate your skin, whereas rosy oil reduces the dullness. And these are available in all Nykaa stores and also Nykaa.com, and I will share the product link into the description so that you can check it out easily. So yeah, go and check them out, and that's it for this review. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.